In this video, I'll detail how to fix not receiving notifications on Facebook. So if you have a Facebook account on your iPhone and you discover that you no longer receive your Facebook notifications on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if at the end of this video, you found this relevant and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To fix not receiving notifications on Facebook on iPhone, there are a few features you need to turn on your iPhone. Otherwise, you will only be able to receive Facebook notifications on your iPhone whenever you open the Facebook app, just like this. So the first one to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, click on the Facebook app if you're using iOS 17 or earlier version. But for iOS 18 series, just scroll down and click on apps, then scroll down, then locate Facebook and click on that. Once you selected Facebook, come down here and click on notifications. And now, if this is turned off, just like this, go ahead and turn this on. So that's the first thing to do here. Now, to receive your Facebook notifications on lock screen, so that whenever you lock your iPhone screen just like this, and you have a Facebook notifications, whether you unlock it or not, you'll be able to see the notifications. Check lock screen. If you want to access your Facebook notifications from Control Center, like when you scroll down like this, then check Notification Center for banners, just like this. Having the notifications on the app logo, just like this, then you want to turn on banner. So you can turn on persistence or temporal. Then scroll down and click on Show Previews. How do you want to show your Facebook notification previews on your iPhone? Is it always, when unlocked, or never? If you selected always, this is always going to show the Facebook notification previews whether your iPhone is locked or unlocked. If you choose when unlocked, your iPhone will only show the notification preview when unlocked. So if your iPhone is locked, the notification preview will not be shown. So by default, this is not going to show anything. However, to make sure you receive Facebook notification on your iPhone, hit the back button and come here and check background app refresh. So turn this on. If you're unable to turn on background app refresh, just hit the back button and go back to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, click on General. Under General, scroll down, click on background app refresh. Then tap background app refresh and turn this on by selecting Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then hit the back button. Then you want to scroll down until you get to Facebook. So just scroll down and locate Facebook. Then make sure this is turned on. Once that is turned on, hit the back button again. Then open the Facebook application on iOS 17 or iOS 18, and then here you should see the background app refresh turned on. So once this is enabled, you will be able to receive your Facebook notifications on your iPhone henceforth. So this is how you can basically fix not receiving notifications on Facebook on iPhone. So if you found this relevant and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.